Kuya, maraming salamat sa binigay niyo po sa amin. Ingat ka po dyan palagi.
Maraming salamat po Papa sa walang sawang pagsuporta at pagmamahal. I miss you and I love you very much. Mag-iingat ka po palagi.
Enjoy your day pa at palagi ka pong manalangin.
Happy birthday, Kuya Rudy. Wish you all lots of luck, good health, and wealth in your birthday. I love you and take care always. Love you, Mama.
Happy birthday, Kuya. Wish ko sa'yo lagi kang magiging malakas. Magkaroon ka ng maraming blessing. Yun lang. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Brad. Ingat ka lagi dyan.
Happy birthday, Papa Rudy.
Happy birthday, Daddy!
Happy birthday, Papa Judy.